How to make a call on Snapchat. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat. Log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your profile located on top left corner of your screen. Click on the chat you want to make call in. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. If you click on any chat you want to make call in, you'll find call option on top right corner of your screen. You'll have two options, audio call and video call. To audio call, you'll find call button. To video call, you'll find camera like button on top right. Simply click the one you prefer, then you'll be calling the person. This is how to make call on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.